Everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can create um, 2022 photos recap using CapCut PC. So you can also use the CapCut mobile version. So first one, just select your video you want to edit and set the duration in 4 seconds. Just split and remove and use it. And then select your photos you want to edit, just drag and set the duration in 0.5 seconds and make it the same length for another photos, another clip. So you can click menu and settings and go to edit, and you can adjust for the image duration. So set for 0.5. Just click next. So and upload this. You can add the text. Just select the bold text and change the text. So for instance, I'm going to change for 2022 photos recap, and yeah, as you like for the preset style. So change the duration until finish the video only. Okay. After this, you can also change the aspect ratio. Just select 9:16 for the aspect ratio and edit the clip one by one. So, so edit. Right. After finish, you can also add the audio. Just select audio where compound click before and just select the audio. You can select from TikTok. You can start from the audio from the video. You can select the available here. But I turn the audio because it can be copyright. So here we go for the result. Okay, that's how to make 2022 photos recap. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.